Hello, everyone. My name is Tara Ashkar, and I'm the Mindfulness Advisor at Starling Minds.
And I'm Dr. Paola DeCicco, a naturopathic doctor focusing on women's health.
If you're a person experiencing the changes of perimenopause and menopause, we'd love to invite you to join us for our two-part webinar series called Embracing Menopause and Beyond that will take place on May 12th and May 19th through Zoom.
We're going to look at how this hormonal shift can impact our mood, our sleep, our energy, and beyond. We're going to look at how the nervous system is involved and working with calming stress.
We'll also explore ways to support long-term health. We'll be looking at nutrition, at movement, and emotional resilience so that we can really feel empowered to take charge of our mental and physical well-being.
Exactly. This is really an invitation to reframe how we think about and see perimenopause and menopause as a transition time that's empowering and insightful. And so, if you yourself are going through these changes, or if you're supporting a loved one who is, then come and join us, and we're going to unpack all of this together and learn from each other.
And you can register through the Starling Minds program. We hope